Okay guys, so welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to have to talk about something that you probably have, I think you probably find useful. So I've talked about on how to work with chars and char ways to work with strings, but C++ does have a string class, and you're gonna import that class right now with the string class, so you guys can see. So we'll do some work using this class. So it works very similarly to the char array, but it's actually it's a more C++ and more object-oriented way of working with things, string. So we call string here. So let's say name equals, or let's say text, right? Text equals, let's say C++ language, something like that, and we'll print the text out. Okay, so we will do this. So it's very similar to a char array. Okay, so you guys can see, and it is I think the right way to work with text in C++, because this thing is very interesting, because as I said before, C++ has multiple ways to work with things, because it's a combination of C plus new functionalities, because that's why it's called C++. Okay, C with more functionality. So just a quick tip for you guys to work with strings in C++. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time.